up guys? So I think it's about time. It's I think 2 years already I have my stickers on. So it's about time that I took it off, right? And no place better. Actually, I think got better place, but I trust this guy, RS Garage. So Lee, I'm not sure if you've seen him in my videos. He's another MX-5 owner. This NC right here. He recently opened his own garage. Hey, congratulations, dude. And I brought my car here. He's going to help me take all the stickers off because now JPJ is on the hunt. And I'm sorry, but I don't want to be one of them. And honestly, my baby needs some TLC. But let me get some moolah first. And all of this is going off. Honestly, looking forward to seeing it completely black once again. And yeah, let's go. 对 confirm 这个是 Lee， 这个是老板来的。
回台湾啊？啊 ，open。
如果 paint 也是台湾呢？
这样子就没办法。
你 sponsor 啊，是不是？哇，够力 ，OK OK。
给来洗啊。
这个是什么来的？
这个是说没有这么伤。
我自己可以做的是吗？妈的，没有跟我讲，叫我来。哦，怪不得这样容易罢了是吗？呀。
Still good。
那我可以自己做了哦。And it really feels like a brand new car. Totally black. Oh my god, I feel so naked. But it looks so good. And it's so nice because today, for some reason, a lot of the MX-5 guys decided to drop by as well. And some other friends. So it's so nice because everyone was helping me take out my stickers. Just the camaraderie lah. Very nice. And there are still 2 guys here. Still taking it out. Thank you so much guys. Underneath. So yeah. After this, give it a wash and let's see how everything is. So far, no paint came out. There's a little bit of marking like this, but that's normal. Good job, good job. I didn't know so easy lor, so I was even telling you like, if you could just tell me that I needed to do this, I could do it. And then I want you to come to my workshop ma. Okay lah. Got me out of the house also, yeah. Okay guys, so the workshop is downstairs. We came up. And check this out. So there's actually an entire place up here that you can just chill, you can do your work. Air conditioned, very very nice. It's just a place for people to chill here. And then they have stuff on display right here as well. Of course you need your MX-5. Damn a lot of MX-5, right? What the heck? Yeah. So quite nice to chill. I think they're going to add more stuff. They have a table right here. Here is just, yeah, stuff lah, huh? I think quite nice. So that sometimes when, you know, you come here, you wait for your car to be done, you can chill in aircon room. There's power points there. You can do your work there. There's toilet here if you need shit. So yeah, this is a working area. And yeah. Woo, looks like new. Now they're washing my car. The 2 bosses washing. Thanks guys. And then of course you have the manager here. Overseeing this Malaysian stuff. Cleaning my engine bay for me. This is unique selling point. Special service, cause you got NC also. So guys, this is the aftermath of taking out my stickers. Yes, there's a little bit of marks here. So that's what Lee is trying to get rid of right now. He's polishing and just wiping it down after the wash. Very, very, very good service. But I gotta say, 2 years of stickers, and this is what happened. I think it's honestly very good. I'm very happy that no paint came out. We didn't actually use a heat gun because we figured that the stickers was actually okay. So only use a heat gun if you need to, because according to Lee, if you use a heat gun to remove the stickers, it will actually disrupt the paint, so it's not so good. So best is no heat gun. But yeah, very minimal damages, which I am very happy. And I'm so I feel like I'm falling in love again. This is like a totally new TV. Oh my god, it's like makeover, really like makeover. Oh, so in love. It's all black.